mulai.
Okay, thank you, Dam. Overall, you are able to explain your project with well. It was clear that you are directly involved in the development of security robot and understand the relationship between hardware, software, and IoT communication use the system. We identify several strengths that stood out during the interview. You have a solid understanding of end-to-end IoT system integration. You use the technologies such as YOLO, V8, MQTT, OpenCV, and Raspberry Pi. Willingness to learn and apply complex technology as a second year student. You have good response. We are able to explain the technical challenge you and address the solution of your currently implementation, such using the YOLO V8 model and applying the quantitation technique. However, there are several areas that could be improved. Some your explanation, we are highly technical when your communication with non-technical stakeholders or manager or management. Try to describe the business value and practical impact of the technology using simple language. Try to make your response more concise and structured to improve effective during time limit interview. Overall, you demonstrate strong potential for the roles relate to IoT and embrace the system and AI. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much for your feedback. I realized that still need to improve my communication skill, especially when explaining technical concept to non-technical audience. Although the project has not been fully completed yet, I am currently conducting performance evaluation, uh, like time detection, accuracy testing, and MQTT notification latency analysis, so that I can present more measurable results. And I also plan to deepen my understanding of cloud IoT platform and deployment strategies to ensure that the solution I develop are not only functional in laboratory environment. This feedback has been extremely valuable and helped me prepare for future industry application.
Okay, overall assessment, technical competency like 8 uh, for 10, and communication skill I think is 7.5 out of the 10, and problem solving I think 10.5 out of the 10, and learning agility is 9 lah. I think 9 out of 10, and industry readiness is 8 of the time, and yes, that's all. So I give you recommended for the internship entry level IoT roles.
Okay, thank you. For next, thank you Faris for your presentation and explanation during this interview. Overall, your demonstrates solid understanding of electrical design fundamental. Your explanation regarding schematic development, power distribution, and hardware integration, so that you have practical exposure beyond classroom theory. We were particularly impressed by your ability to connect the design stage with implementation and testing activities. Some strengths that stood out during this interview include your understand the importance of proper schematic and document and electrical architecture. And next, you are able to identify real engineering challenges such as power stability and electrical noise. Your troubleshooting approach is systematic and methodical. And last, you show initiative in learning independently. However, there are several areas that you can continue to improve. Try to provide more quantitative results from your project and expand your knowledge or industrial practice, including ANC or NMI consideration, and gain more experience working collaboration in multidisciplinary team, and last, practice delivering concise explanation tailored to non-electrical audience. Overall, we believe you have strong potential to grow as an electrical design engineering, especially considering your current academic level.
Okay, thank you for thank you very much for the feedback and constructive suggestion. I appreciate the recognition of my technical strength as well as the areas that still need improvement. I realize that industrial exposure and teamwork experience are important aspects of becoming a professional engineering. Moving forward, I plan to deepen my understanding of PCB manufacturing and EMC and EMI consideration and design methodologies such as DFM and DFE. I also intend to improve how I communicate technical concepts to people with the different backgrounds. The feedback from this interview has given me a clear picture of the competition I expect in this industry, and I will use motivation to continue learning and improving myself.
Okay, thank you, Faris. Based on today's interview, we can see that you have a strong foundation in electrical design and positive learning attitude. Continue building your portfolio, see opportunities to collaborate on lab project, and keep refining about your technical and communication skill. I wish you success in your study and future engineering career.
Okay, thank you for the time and valuable feedback. I truly appreciate this opportunity and will continue working to become a better